Hi everyone, I'm Gonshen from Orchid News. Today I'm going to review the Synology DS1618 Plus. In this unboxing video, I'm going to show you what is inside the box and how to set up. Okay, let's see what is inside the box. Let's open it up. As you can see, the menu and what is inside this box. Oh, there is power cable, two internet cable, one key, and a screw. Okay. Inside the box, we have it out, and we have the quick guide installation. We have the power cable, we have internet cable, and we have a Synology DS1618 Plus itself. Okay. As you can see here, it's a Synology DS1618 Plus. And let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bay that insert the hard disk. It is very simple. You can just press it out, take it out, and this is a slot where you can insert the hard disk. Later I will show you around and you will see what it is. So there is 6 bay, you can open and insert the slot. It's simple. And you can see here there is few lights. This is a lamp port lights, this is an alerts, and this is the power. And if you see at the back, there is 2 fan available. Okay, power 4 LAN port, gigabit LAN port, as well the eSATA port for you connect another Synology extension. And here you can put the 10 gigabit internet port, which is very good. And as well as another eSATA port. Let's plug it. Okay. Let's plug it in. Okay. But before you on the power, you have to insert the hard disk first. Correct? Let's do it. Okay. As you can see, one of the hard disk coming out. So take out the bay, take out these two, so you can insert the hard disk correctly. Remember, put it like this so that you can lock it up. First of all, once you insert and on, the first thing is you need to have this Synology Assistant to search your NAS like this. This is a new Synology NAS that we have. Then you press the NAS, it will bring you to this Synology and press setup. After setup, you can just install the DSM, which is a OS, common OS. Okay, agree. And just wait for installation to go around. The installation is quite fast. You format partition first, then will install the OS itself, which is called Disk Spatial Manager, which will help you manage your NAS. Okay, let's wait for the setup. As you can see, this is an administration account. So after your setup on Synology NAS, it will require you to set up your administration account where you can put your server name, your username, your password, and of course it show you the password strength itself. So after setting up your password, everything, it will ask you connect with ID. That is where you can connect from outside. So you have to set up your with ID connect, where it is mostly your Synology ID and also your with ID name for you to access. After you setting up everything, then that is where you go into your home page, where I would say is dashboard, where you can see all the menu selection. You can download the apps, you can control your NAS, your hard disk, and you can even do a lot of stuff like my offices with Synology Drive, and that it is. And you can see with all the things that I have set up, and this is the end of the setup. And I will say Synology DS1618 is a great devices for your home office or even SMEs. And yeah, this is the end of my review video. I would say it's great. I would like to thank Synology for sponsoring the NAS for us review. Thank you. We'll see you on the next review.